graph h of x equals x minus 4. We'll find some function values, plot points, and draw the graph. When x equals 1, h of 1 is 1 minus 4, or negative 3. When x equals negative 1, h of negative 1 is negative 1 minus 4, or negative 5. When x equals 2, h of 2 is 2 minus 4, or negative 2. And when x equals 5, h of 5 is 5 minus 4, or 1. So this gives us the points 1, negative 3, negative 1, negative 5, 2, negative 2, and 5, 1. Let's plot those points. 1, negative 3, 2, negative 2, negative 1, negative 5, 5, 1. We see that they appear to form a straight line. So we will draw the line and label the graph. H of x equals x minus 4.